Hello, Scrappy friends. Thanks for joining Scrap and Fun with Beth. My name is Beth Graves, and I'm a Creative Memories Advisor and Forever Ambassador. Today, we are here to take a sneak peek at Creative Memories' new products launching on Monday, July 20th at 9 a.m. Central. But before we do that, we're going to chit chat for a sec. So here we are in Iowa. We are in the midst of humidity and heat, and just full on summer is here, and it's not even state fair time. But if you have children or K through 12 aged kids, school aged kids, you're already thinking summer is about over, school's coming. And in Iowa, that will start in about a month, maybe 5 weeks, because we start usually that almost last week, next to last week in August after the fair's over. And when you don't have kids that are school age, you really lose track of that. But you're going to be like, Beth, why are we talking about school? We don't want to talk about school yet. It's not time. But we're going to talk about school. You'll see why in just a moment. But to keep with that theme, I have a couple jokes for you. So, what's as big as a school building but doesn't weigh anything? The school building shadow. I think that's a good one. All right, I gotta scroll down here because this one is classic. Why did the student throw her watch out of the school window? She wanted to see time fly. That is like a classic joke. I remember that from what was it called? The Floppy Show. Anybody else in the Midwest? Yeah, the Floppy Show back in the day. All right. I have one more because this one was cute. Why was the broom late for school? He overswept. Okay, so now, why are we talking school? Let me show you. This is going to be so fun. All right, so our launch on Monday is the School Years collection. Yay! So we have an album kit, so a brand new album kit. And remember, the album kits contain an album with top-loading sleeves, a repositionable tape runner, stickers, embellishments, and 16 simple page kits to help you get an album done quick and easy. So when you visit the launch page, which I will put the link on my Scrap and Fun site, and there will be a link to my Scrap and Fun site in the YouTube description, you can check out the album kit for School Years, and you will have 3 choices of albums: the Hunter Green with the grid on it, the Flint with the grid, or just a plain black. And then, of course, the album kit components. Everything comes boxed nicely in your album kit box, and you will be ready to rock and roll. You will also get a guidebook that will walk you through how to do every single simple page kit that's in the collection, and you'll have that book done in no time. So along with the album kit, we also have a collection. So what we will find in the School Years collection, we will have let me scroll down here. We have a tonal paper pack, a coordinating matte pack, and embellishments. A little bit further, we also have the paper pack. Aren't those colors fun and beautiful? The stickers, and then here's the coordinating colors of cardstock that complement this collection. The same 3 album covers are, these 2 album covers are also available with the collection. They will come just as an album cover. So the Hunter Green and the Flint with the grids. Black, the ebony, is of course obviously still available in our product line. In the album kit, you get it with the top loading sleeves. If you order just the album cover, you can put whatever pages inside you want. And we still have the School Days album cover left from a previous collection, and so you can add that to hold all of your belongings. Couple new punches, the classroom icons. So we've got a globe and a pen and a pencil and some apples. That's super cute. And the pencil chain border maker cartridge. So it just makes a line of pencils, which, look at this when they change out the color of the eraser. That's super fun. It looks beautiful with those papers. And ooh, look at that. So back in the day, we had the notebook, or the tiara would look like this as well. Those are also border maker cartridges that you might have in your stash. The bookshelf border punch is still available. That came out a few years ago, and it is a really cool one. The back to school ABC handwriting stencil, again, that came out about 4 years ago. This is fun. If you ever don't have the ABC stickers you need, or the embellishments that we have that are ABCs, this is a great way to add a title by just tracing the stencil. And then the scissors border punch is also another complement. And again, that came out a few years ago. So these three are already in our product line and are still available. But then the two new classroom icons and pencil chain. Super fun. Also next week on Monday, you will see the Simple Page Kit number 8 is released. And you can also get the bundle now. So the bundle for Q3, which includes July, August, and September, is available. And I will put those things, like I said, I'll put all those links in my article so that you can access those and check things out. And then one other thing while I have you, I just want to share that the You Pick It promo was extended or renewed, I guess I'll say, and we still have the cool down bundle, which was the fan that you could use along with the cup holder, the 26x3 folding mat. Let me see, why isn't this doing it? Okay, that's not what we wanted. Okay, here we go, guys. You were getting a view of my ceiling because I had my desk camera off the other way and I pushed the wrong button. My apologies. Anyway, so on the Creative Memories page, if you come back and visit, the You Pick It promo has been renewed, extended, and it will go until next Friday. And I don't know why it's being so slow. Here we go. So the cool down bundle, the crop crew tote bundle, the tool case and crop caddy bundle, along with the 26x13 folding mat. So these are the 4 choices. Spend $150 and you could be the proud owner of one of these fun bundles. And if you don't have $150 but you'd like to order something, go ahead and send me your order and I can include it and bundle together. So there we go. Now I think I have covered it all. Again, my apologies on you getting to see my lovely ceiling over there. It was probably better than my messy desktop. Anyway, thanks for joining ScrapNFun with Beth. I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek and are getting ready for school to begin maybe in your area, or getting the school pictures rounded up. Maybe you've even got a senior graduating this school year and need to get that book done. And so the album kit, I'm telling you, game changer. So anyway, have a wonderful day and look forward to the launch on Monday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks. See you soon.